You guys ready?
Hello everyone.
Let's start.
Our team is the Turtles, and today we bring with you the topic about love, isn't it? And online dating. So, have you ever used any apps for online dating? Can you tell me some typical sample, like, for example, I heard you say Tinder, right? Yeah, and I think we need some disclaimer for some people. They're not good at interacting with others, so it's a little bit hard for them to have the connection with the one who they are crushing or the one that they are like. So using apps and then connect with the account online and then start chatting with your crush or the one you like would be very easy. And about a solution, firstly, I think we don't come up with any solution because that's each person's taste. For example, I really want to make friends, but I am a little bit lacking of confidence, so I choose online friends, and we still have the same connection with others. So choosing online dating or not depends on you, and no judgment, and that's all I want to talk about.
All right, thank you.